Welcome to Data Storytelling with Claude. This practical tutorial is designed for university students and business owners who need to turn raw data into compelling narratives that drive action. A great story backed by data moves people every time. We'll show you how to use Claude AI to create interactive, powerful data stories in minutes. You'll get 3 exercises with real data and a prompt cookbook. Our roadmap covers 5 main areas. We'll start with the definition of data storytelling and why it matters, including the neuroscience behind stories. Then, we'll examine the 5 essential elements of a great data story. Finally, we'll see how Claude acts as your AI partner and work through 3 hands-on exercises. Data storytelling is the practice of combining data, narrative, and visuals to communicate insights in an actionable way. Data provides the facts, numbers, and findings. Narrative gives context, meaning, and emotional resonance. Visuals make patterns instantly visible. It is the deliberate craft of making data understandable, meaningful, and persuasive. In the attention economy, your data must compete. Facts alone are forgotten quickly, but stories are retained for years, 22 times more memorable, according to Stanford research. When the brain engages with a story, more areas activate simultaneously. Your data needs a story, or it will simply be ignored by busy decision makers. The difference is stark. Without a story, data is raw numbers presented without context, forcing the audience to draw their own conclusions. With data storytelling, you provide context, guide the audience to key insights, use purposeful visualizations, and answer the crucial questions, so what? And now what? For business owners, data storytelling helps win investor confidence, align teams, and justify budget requests. For university students, it helps you stand out in thesis presentations, communicate research findings powerfully, and build career-ready communication skills. In both cases, data storytelling is about increasing your influence and impact. The foundation of a great data story relies on 5 elements. These components, when mastered, allow you to turn any data set into a compelling narrative. We'll cover the data foundation, the central insight, the narrative arc, the visualizations, and audience alignment in the following slides. The data foundation ensures the quality, accuracy, and relevance of your data. The central insight is the single most important finding that drives the entire story. It should be framed as a declarative sentence. A powerful pro tip: design your story backward, starting with the action you want the audience to take. The narrative arc follows a classic structure: setup, conflict, evidence, climax, and resolution. Visualizations must match the data relationship and remove chart junk. Finally, audience alignment is critical. Tailor your language and metrics to your specific audience and define the exact action you want them to take. Claude acts as your complete data storytelling partner. It can analyze your CSV or data files, identify trends and patterns without formulas, and generate full narratives. Crucially, Claude can build fully interactive HTML dashboards and rewrite stories to be audience-targeted while retaining the data across follow-up questions. Uploading data to Claude is simple. Upload a CSV file and begin prompting. Remember, prompt quality equals output quality. Always start with discovery, specify your audience, and request explicit structure. Naming the output format, like interactive HTML dashboard, is key to getting professional results. We've created a master prompt cookbook with ready-to-use prompts for various scenarios. This includes prompts for discovery, executive stories, interactive dashboards, investor pitches, academic research, and comparison stories. These are all included in your tutorial document, ready for you to copy, paste, and customize. Now let's move to our 3 hands-on exercises. Each uses real data and focused prompts to achieve real results. We have retail sales data for an executive dashboard, student performance data for an academic report, and marketing ROI data for a CFO case. Exercise 1 focuses on retail sales performance across 4 regions and 3 categories. The key question is where to invest in the second half of the year. The 5-step process guides you from a discovery prompt to building an interactive sales dashboard and writing a regional comparison story. Exercise 2 uses student academic data to explore GPA drivers and success profiles for an academic affairs committee. We'll use prompts to discover key patterns, like the strong link between attendance and GPA, and build an interactive student explorer tool for academic advisors. Exercise 3 tackles marketing campaign ROI using data for the CMO and CFO. The key question is where to invest next year's budget. The 5-step plan involves ROI discovery, creating an attribution story, building an interactive ROI dashboard, writing a budget justification, and creating a quarterly trend report. To develop a data storytelling mindset, ask these 3 questions before looking at your data. Who needs to understand this data, and what decision will it inform? What is the single most important thing you want them to know? Why should they care about this right now? You are now ready to begin. Open Claude AI, upload your data, and start telling stories. Your tutorial document, data files, and example dashboards are all included in your materials. Thank you for participating, and go tell some stories.